Good morning. Welcome to CAD CAM Guide. In this video, we will learn about basics of SolidWorks Sketch. When you will first open the SolidWorks, this window will pop up in which there are three options: part, assembly and drawings. Here is part, here is assembly and here is drawings. But we will go in another way. We will click on new and then this window will pop up. In this window also there are three options: part, assembly and drawing. Since we are going to learn about sketch environment, hence we will click on part and click OK. This is the part environment. This is the part environment in which we have many options like features, sketch, mold tools, direct editing, markup, evaluate, etc. We have three planes: front plane, top plane and right plane, in which we can make our sketch. Suppose we have to make our drawing on the front plane, so we will select the front plane. We will go to sketch, we will select front plane and we will select sketch. After this, front plane is available for sketching. In the right bottom, you can see we have selected MMCS, that is millimeter, gram, second unit system. There are four type of unit system: MCS, CGS, MMCS and IPS, in which we have selected MMCS unit system. Now we will start sketching. So click anywhere on the sketch environment and after that we will select line. You will see that as you hover over the line option, it will automatically show you what is the use of this option. And if you will click on the drop down button, there are three types of lines available. First is line, second is center line and the third is midpoint line. We are going to select line. After selecting this, in the left corner it is shown about various options of line. So as soon as we will start sketching from the origin, and as soon as we go close to the origin, a blue dotted line starts to appear. That blue line is guiding us about the horizontal and vertical direction relative to the origin. And you can see there is a yellow relation indicator in which it shows what relation it maintains with the current geometry. We will start from origin, go in horizontal direction and click somewhere. Then we will go in vertical direction, then horizontal, then vertical, and in this way we will sketch following drawing. As soon as our first line and our last line meet with each other at the origin, you will see that the line command itself ends. You will also observe that as we go close to the origin, the line will snap itself on the origin. After that, you will see that our sketch has been converted in a blue shaded area. That blue shaded area indicates that it is a closed sketch that can be used for 3D modeling, etc. So let us click on the line at the bottom part of the sketch. You will see that this line has two relations. One is the coincident relation with origin, and second is horizontal relationship with the origin. Click on the second line. It has vertical relation with the origin. You will see that the bottom line is in black color, but other lines are in blue color. It shows that the bottom line is fully defined, but other blue lines are not fully defined. To define that, we will go to dimension and we will start giving dimensions to all these lines. First, we will select the bottommost line and give it a dimension of 100. We will continue to give dimensions to other lines. We will give dimension to this line as 50. You will see that this point is still shown in blue color. That means the line is horizontal, but it is not fully defined. That for fully defining it, we will select dimension and give it a dimension of 30. Again, we will continue and give dimension of 40 units to the second line. And vertically, we will give it a dimension of 50. Now, most of our lines are fully defined, except this line that is shown here in blue color. So what we will do, we will click escape so that we can come out of dimension command, and then we will select this line. We will press Ctrl. We will select this line, press Ctrl and select the another line, and as soon as we do this, a relation window will open in which there are various relations like horizontal, vertical, collinear, perpendicular, etc. We will select the collinear and you will see that these two lines has become collinear, and in this way our sketch has become fully defined. We will use the same drawing in next videos also. For this video, that's it.